10 woodworking tools, all under 80 bucks. Today, we're breaking down the best budget-friendly gear on Amazon that actually deliver pro-level results. From precision measuring to flawless joinery, this list has it all. Links are in the description. Let's get into it. Number 1. PowerTech Chisel Plane with Spear Point Blade. Let's be honest, cleaning up tight corners and flush trimming dowels can be a real pain with standard tools. That's exactly why this little chisel plane exists. The Spear Point blade is designed to slip into narrow angles and irregular shapes that bigger planes just can't reach. Whether you're trimming plugs, scraping off dried glue, or cleaning up joinery, this thing makes the job effortless. The build quality surprised me too. The blade is SKD11 tool steel with serious hardness, so it stays sharp through plenty of projects. The aluminum body and maple handle feel solid in your hand and give you precise control for delicate work. Unlike bulky bench planes that take experience to master, this compact design is incredibly beginner-friendly. Just lock the blade with one screw and you're ready to go. It's one of those tools you didn't know you needed until you use it. Number 2. WorkPro 5-Pack Countersink Drill Bit Set. Nobody likes screws sticking out or wood splitting when you drive them in. This countersink set solves both problems in one step. Each bit pre-drills the pilot hole and creates a tapered recess for the screw heads simultaneously, so everything sits flush and professional looking. You get 5 sizes, number 4, number 6, number 8, number 10, and number 12, covering just about every screw you'll use in the shop. The M2 high-speed steel construction holds up to repeated use, and the 4-flute design leaves clean, burr-free holes in wood, plywood, PVC, and plastic. What makes this set even better is the adjustable depth. Use the included hex wrench to set exactly how deep you want the countersink and lock it in place. No guesswork, no tear out, just perfect results every time. An absolute steal for the price. Number 3. WorkPro Dual Jaws Table Vise. A good vise is the backbone of any workshop, and this one punches way above its weight for the price. You get 2 sets of jaws, 2.5-inch serrated jaws for gripping pipes and rough materials, and 1.5-inch smooth jaws for delicate workpieces that you don't want to mar. It's like having 2 vices in one. The real standout feature is the 360-degree swivel base and head. You can position your workpiece at literally any angle, making those awkward cuts and tricky assemblies so much easier. Mounting is flexible too. Clamp it onto any workbench or bolt it down permanently. With ductile iron construction and hardened carbon steel jaws, this little vise delivers an impressive 660 pounds of clamping force. It's compact, portable, and built like a tank. Number 4. Estwing Rubber Mallet. Sometimes you need to hit something without destroying it. That's where this mallet shines. It features 2 faces, a firm white tip for heavy strikes, and a softer black tip for more delicate work. Whether you're tapping joints together, assembling furniture, setting tile, or doing upholstery, this mallet delivers the right amount of force without leaving dents or marks on your workpiece. The hickory wood handle is genuine and comfortable in your hand, with just the right weight for all-day use. What I really appreciate is the triple wedge construction that locks the head securely to the handle. No wobbling, no heads flying off mid-swing. At 12 ounces, it's the perfect balance of heft and control. Estwing is a trusted brand in the trades, and this mallet lives up to that reputation. Built for pros, but priced for everyone. Number 5. Klein Tools ET140 Pinless Moisture Meter. Here's a tool that can save you from heartbreak. Moisture is the silent killer of woodworking projects. If your lumber is too wet, joints fail, finishes bubble, and your beautiful project warps beyond repair. This pinless moisture meter lets you check moisture content without leaving ugly holes in your expensive wood. It uses electromagnetic field technology to scan up to 3/4 of an inch below the surface. Just press it against your material and get an instant reading. The reverse contrast display and 9 LED bars clearly show you the moisture range at a glance. It works on drywall, masonry, hardwood, and softwood. There's also a hold function, low battery indicator, and auto power off. Whether you're building furniture or checking for water damage, this tool is peace of mind in your pocket. Number 6. Dremel 3100 Variable Speed Rotary Tool Kit. This is the Swiss Army knife of power tools, and it's more powerful than you'd expect. The Dremel 3100 features a 1.2 amp motor that delivers 33% more power than the older Dremel 200, so it handles tough jobs without bogging down. You get 5 speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, giving you precise control for everything from delicate engraving to aggressive cutting. The upgraded airflow system keeps it running 10% cooler than the previous model, so you can work longer without overheating. Plus, the housing uses over 65% recycled plastic, and the packaging is completely polybag-free, sustainable without sacrificing performance. It comes with 15 accessories and 1 attachment, ready to cut, sand, grind, polish, drill, or carve. The 6-foot cord gives you plenty of reach, and the ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand. Incredible versatility for the price. Number 7. WorkPro 13-piece Spade Drill Bit Set. Running wires, plumbing pipes, or making large holes for dowels, this spade bit set has you covered with 13 different sizes in one convenient case. These bits are made from medium carbon steel with heat treatment for durability, and the polished surface helps prevent rust and reduces friction during drilling. The double-sided cutting spurs are sharp and aggressive, chewing through wood quickly and cleanly. What I really appreciate is the 1/4-inch quick-change hex shank with a groove that grips your drill chuck securely, no slipping or spinning in the middle of a hole. The design also promotes efficient chip removal, which means faster drilling and less bogging down. Whether you're a professional electrician or a weekend DIYer, this set works with most drill brands on the market. Solid performance at an unbeatable price. Number 8. Kreg Pocket Hole Jig. If you want your projects to look like they were built by a pro, this is the tool that makes it happen. Pocket hole joinery is one of the strongest and easiest ways to build cabinets, face frames, furniture, and more. This jig works with materials from 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches thick, so it handles a wide range of projects. The new Grip Max technology features an anti-slip clamping surface that holds your workpiece rock solid, so nothing shifts during drilling. The VersaGrip handle rotating handle gives you 360-degree adaptability, making it comfortable to use from any angle. The impact-resistant polymer and steel frame construction means this jig will survive years of shop use. It even comes with 60 pocket hole screws to get you started. This is the tool that unlocks a whole new level of woodworking possibilities. Number 9. WorkPro 8-inch Tri-Square. You can't build quality projects without accurate layout lines. This Tri-Square ensures your marks are dead on every single time. The blade is made from high-quality stainless steel with laser-etched markings in 1/8 and 1/16 inch increments, plus centimeters on the other side. They're crisp, permanent, and easy to read. The aluminum handle is lightweight yet durable, and it includes a 45-degree angle for quick miter layouts. Here's a clever detail. There are 2 marking holes at 1 centimeter and 19 centimeters where you can insert a pencil lead to scribe consistent lines or mark diameters. The blade is secured with 3 pins for a perfect fit and won't bend or deform. At just under 10 ounces, it's comfortable to use all day. Accurate, portable, and built to last. Number 10. Milescraft 1620 Sand Plane. Sanding curved surfaces and tight grooves is usually a frustrating finger-burning experience. This tool changes all of that. The sand plane is designed to accept standard 5-inch hook and loop sanding discs, which stay securely in place and swap out in seconds. What makes it special is the 4 interchangeable sanding profiles. You get flat, concave, convex, and V-groove profiles, so you can sand everything from flat tabletops to rounded edges, chair spindles, and decorative V-grooves with ease. The ergonomic body gives you a comfortable, secure grip with excellent control, so your hands don't fatigue during those long sanding sessions. It's perfect for fine-tuning your projects before finishing. Whether you're a furniture maker or a weekend hobbyist, this is one of those clever tools that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it.